the name of Allah, the most merciful and the most compassionate. In this lecture, I'm going to explain how to transfer funds from one account to another account. So here you can see banking. Click on banking, then click on transfer funds. So here you can see transfer funds from. We should choose that account from which we are wanna to transfer amount to another account. For example, I am selecting an account by the name of cash in hand AFN and cash in hand, and here you can select the account to which you want to transfer fund. For example, account by the name of PT cash, and here you should write the amount which you want to transfer. I have 5,60,000 in my cash in hand account and 1,10,000 in my PT cash. I want to transfer 60,000 from cash in hand to PT cash, so I should write here 60,000 and then click save news. So you can see here there was 5,60,000, but after transferring fund, the balance of cash in hand is 5 lakh and or 500,000. So if you want to transfer from one bank account to another bank account or from bank account to cash in hand, so you can transfer for everyone. And here you should choose, for example, I'm choosing AB bank USD account to transfer fund from it to another account. For example, here you can see AB USD account, and here you can see the balance of AB bank USD and AB bank USD account, and here I will write the amount which I want to transfer, for example 30,000, and then click and save in new. So you can see here 400,000 balance is remained after transferring a fund. If you want to transfer a fund from cash in hand to bank account, so choose here cash in hand, and here transfer funds to the account that you want to transfer fund for example AB bank USD account, and here you can write the amount which you want to transfer, for example 100,000, and then save and close. So this was the uh, process of transferring fund from one account to another account in QuickBooks Desktop.